What's up everybody, this is Alex aka Ghost, and today I'm bringing you a different video. If you play Call of Duty WarZone and you're trying to record it using OBS Studio while using Nvidia filters, you are most likely running into the same problem I've been running into ever since I started, is this terrible flickering that you can see on the screen. The images don't work. So the solution is what? Turn off the filters. It just doesn't make the game look as good. You can see the enemies and whatnot. So I've been looking all over Reddit, different forums, YouTube videos for a solution, and I haven't been able to find one. And last night I was playing around with my settings and I figured out a way to get rid of this terrible stuttering that you see on the screen. So the solution is actually fairly simple. What you would need to do is, in your scene where you have your game running in the background, you have your cam, maybe you have some notifications there, you would add a new source. And for the source, instead of game capture as you would normally do, you would go with window capture. Create window capture, let's call it COD test. Sorry if my hands are getting in the way, right? And then we're going to select Modern Warfare, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Capture method, you'll select Windows Graphic Capture, and then match title, otherwise client area, everything is the same. It's just all these three simple settings right here. Click OK. Now stretch it to the full size so it fills the screen. Move it below your camera, wherever the camera is. There you are, and there you go. No stuttering. So if we just move the old source as a video capture, as the game capture up, it is indeed flickering. But if we move it down and we use our window capture, there is no flickering and the game looks good. There is one thing that's kind of sucky about it, is that once you're in the game and you're playing, you get this yellow border around the screen. It's a Windows anti-malware system that basically lets you know that something is capturing whatever is on the screen. But I haven't found it to be distracting enough to bother me, and my streams look hella better and my videos are looking great. With that, enjoy. And if you find a solution to get rid of this yellow border, put it in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Until then, see you on the battlefield. Peace.